Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this elegant, natural looking wet look with the headband wig. Y'all, these curls are show popping and this hairstyle is shebanging. Oh my gosh, I literally love it so much. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? Y'all, I feel like this hairstyle came out so bomb. Look at those curls. It's everything for me. I hope you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look. And if you are, go ahead and keep on watching. So today's hair is coming from Vivi or Vivi Babi Wigs. I really think it's Vivi Babi Wig, but this is the box that it came in. So I have a 26-inch water wave headband wig. So besides the headband wig, it does come with extra headbands to accessorize the wig with, and this is just what they look like. And it also comes with 2 wig caps. So here is the wig. Again, this is 26 inches and their water wave texture headband wig. Right out the package, y'all see I haven't did anything to this hair. This is literally straight out the package and it's feeling really good. My hands can run through it without any snags or tangles. So yeah. So before I start installing the wig, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all all of the products that I'm going to be using. This is a style sample of argan oil gel. I'm going to also be using some Cantu shea butter. This is the coconut curling cream. This is the Cantu shea butter comeback curl next day. These are supposedly for natural hair, but I love to use them on my curly wigs. I'm also going to put some olive oil serum just for shine. y'all, that completes this look and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Y'all have to comment down below and rate this look 1 through 10. Baby, it surpassed for me. It's a 20 for me, period. This headband did come in the package with some others, so it turned out very, very nice. It's a plus for me because they gave me multiple headbands that I can alternate between. The only downside to this wig, this headband wig, is that it doesn't feel very secure on my head. Like the wig part is a little loose, so I don't think they asked me what size. I probably would have said a medium. This kind of feels like a large, but I don't know. So that's why I got the elastic band in the video and kind of tied it around the headband wig to hold it in place, because it was like moving everywhere while I was trying to brush the hair out. I'll have all of the information for purchasing this wig down below. Y'all, this is truly a get up and go wig. Like, I am in love with headband wigs now. Like, this is most definitely my go-to. So as y'all know, I'm a mom now, so I don't have time to do my hair fully all the time, to be laying no lace down and perfecting it. So the headband wig is most definitely 100% for me. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to have your post notification bell on so that you can know when I upload new videos. Y'all, I low-key don't want to get out the camera because I think I look so good. It just looks so nice, cute, and sleek. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.